We need all of you to be advocates for the infrastructure investments that we want to make at the state level. It's going to enhance the quality of life in our state, and it provides the foundation for long-term economic growth. So the first thing I want to get out of the way is to let you know that I need your help. This is about jobs. This is about quality of life in New Jersey. This is about real working families being able to put food on their table and pay their mortgages. This is about businesses being able to grow and expand and create more opportunity in our state. This is about making our state an attractive place for people to continue to live and to want to come and move to. And this is not a partisan issue. It should not be a partisan issue. Because the men and women we put to work with this capital plan don't care whether this is a Republican-sponsored bill or a Democrat-sponsored bill. They don't care. What they care about is that they get the opportunity to improve the infrastructure in our state and to support their families. And all you need to do is to look at some of the things that the Port Authority is now doing in New Jersey to know that there's different leadership in New Jersey at the Port Authority now. The Bayonne Bridge raising. You know, it was aggressive advocacy by this administration that got the Port Authority to commit $1 billion to raising the Bayonne Bridge. That's going to create both direct benefits and indirect benefits totaling 6,300 job years, $380 million in wages that'll be paid, and over $1.6 billion in economic activity. Whitpen Bridge Replacement Project, $650 to $700 million. The Route 1 and 9 Extension Project, another $70 to $80 million. And finally, the Pulaski Skyway Rehabilitation Project. This is going to be anywhere from a $1.2 to a $1.5 billion project. And for any of us who drive over the Pulaski Skyway, we know that it's long overdue. We need to work together, get focused on this transportation capital plan. Let's get it done in the next 40 days. I'll deal with these jokers on the other issues. You take care of the transportation capital plan for me. I'll take care of the other stuff for all of you. And together, after July 1st, we'll be able to look back again and say that we worked well together to be able to move forward the economic opportunity and future of this state for all of its citizens. That's what this organization has always been about. That's what I hope it will continue to be about. And for as long as I'm governor, that's what this administration is going to be about. So thank you all very much.